In the world of the rooster, order initiates prosperity and fortune. Embrace the precision that defines your prosperous path to wealth. The rooster thrives with exactitude, channeling timeless wisdom into financial success. Each step mirrors the rhythmic beat of its energetic spirit. Awakening the wealth potential aligns with embracing feng shui's guiding principles. Balance your surroundings with the rooster's diligence. A harmonious abode is a prosperous one. The rooster cultivates this with precision. Elements blend seamlessly, channeling qi towards wealth. Harnessing qi is paramount for those born in rooster years seeking prosperity. Attuning energy flow magnifies the power of intention. In cultivating good fortune, integrate auspicious colors and elements thoughtfully. The rooster's artistic flair orchestrates opulence in life. A dynamic dance of elements signals the rooster's prosperity journey. Luck evolves when we harmonize life's diverse energies. Timing aligns opportunities with readiness in the rooster year. Seizing the moment is key to creating limitless prosperity. Roosters manifest wealth through strategic decisions, mirrored by the jade abacus's precision. Navigate life's cycles with meticulous balance. In summation, the rooster's disciplined path to wealth is an art and science. Mastery of order transforms dreams into prosperous realities.